My name is Fred Newman. I'm the co-head of Asia Economics Research at HSBC in Hong Kong. And this week was a reminder that politics really matters for financial markets, and we had higher oil prices. Oil prices continued to rise. That is a challenge for many markets in the region, and we had the news this week that the US administration will pull out of the Iran agreement, and that will pressure oil prices higher. It has so this week, and that is a challenge for places like India, for example, which imports a lot of oil, and Indonesia as well, which subsidizes the price of oil to limit the impact on inflation. The other big event on politics was Malaysia's election, and for the first time in over 60 years, the opposition won the election. We'll see a change of government. It's not yet clear what exactly that means for policy, but certainly a big surprise for financial markets. So next week, it's China's data is coming out. So once a month, China really publishes all the key activity data like investment growth, industrial production growth, retail sales, and that's going to come out next week. Now this week we already had a bit of a surprise on CPI inflation. Consumer inflation is growing more slowly than expected, and that offers some breathing space to the central bank. But the other big focus next week will be Japan's GDP growth, and there could be a chance that Japan's economy actually contracted in the first quarter, which would be the first contraction in 2 years. Now, this week we had positive data out of Japan, wage growth at the fastest since 2003. That's good news, but there is a worry here that perhaps the economy overall has slowed at the beginning of the year.